How to see who viewed your trade on Trades app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Trade application on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner and find the trade you want to check. And after that, tap the three dots on the top right corner of your trades. Now here you will see a menu appear on your screen. You will see options like save, pin to profile, archive, hide like and see accounts, who can reply and code and delete option. So the view count tells you how many people have viewed your thread. Currently, Threads doesn't allow you to see exactly who viewed your thread thread, but the view count is private and only shows the total number of views. So I hope this guide was informative to check the trade views on the trades application. So you simply need to be aware and updated every time to see or check if you can really view your trades on trade application or simply who viewed your trade on trades app. So for that, make sure that you subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell for updates related to trades. Thank you and see you in the next video.